The Property Care Association is going to the RHS Chelsea Flower Show with a very different type of garden to get an important message across. We're preparing 14 invasive non-native plants to take centre stage at our Enemy Within garden at the event. Many of these plants are currently thriving in gardens across the country and have become a common and accepted sight. But a number of non-native species, including Japanese knotweed, have escaped from gardens up and down the UK, and it's a growing problem.
By creating our garden at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show, visitors will be able to see at first hand various invasive non-native plants in a typical setting. And we can demonstrate how easy it is for these species to be growing unknowingly in our gardens, the enemy within. Our experience shows that early intervention is best practice in the treatment of invasive plants such as giant hogweed, giant rhubarb, Himalayan balsam and Japanese knotweed. A part of the challenge posed by invasive plants is to spot and prevent the next Japanese knotweed taking hold, with all the environmental and economic costs as well as legal implications. We know from studies of invasive plants that it can take decades for a species to become a national problem after escaping from gardens. Giant rhubarb escaped from gardens in 1908, but it wasn't until around the turn of the century that it became invasive, while Japanese knotweed took from 1886 to around 1940 to really take off. So, gardeners and horticulturists can make a valuable contribution by keeping plants like the ones growing here and in their gardens firmly under control, and to help identify and take action to deal with tomorrow's Japanese knotweeds to reduce their impact for future generations.
The PCA's Enemy Within garden is supported by the Association's new guide, Practical Management of Invasive Non-Native Weeds in Britain and Ireland, which gives detailed insight into 38 invasive plant species.